Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to convert Bitcoin to cash on Cash App, which is selling it. First thing first, launch the Bitcoin or Cash App on your iPhone and Android and tap the Money tab. Scroll and tap on Bitcoin to enter your Bitcoin wallet. Now press the Sell button. By default, Cash App creates a standard sell order. If you prefer, tap Change Order Type to make custom sell order. Input the amount in USD you want to sell, then tap Next. Now review the details by double-checking the fees, conversion rate, and total. Then if correct, hit Confirm. Now to complete the sale, just tap Done to finish. After the sale, the cash from your Bitcoin sale goes straight into your Cash App balance. You can transfer it to friends or family, spend it using Cash Card, or cash out directly to your linked bank account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.